Yeah, so welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So I ordered it online. It's very cheap. For only, I think I only paid 500 something. That will for shampoo, to put a shampoo, some conditioner, some bathing, So I ordered it online in TikTok and it's very affordable. So I'll put it tomorrow in each of the room there in the big house. So this is another thing about ordering online. It's cheaper, but the disadvantage is you don't know if it's the one that you really love, the actual. So that's what I order online. So I'm unboxing. So there's a clip also included. So I'm just done. Now there's one. So this is the advantage about ordering online, but the disadvantage also, it might be that that's not the one that you are expecting. Yes, happen it's more cheaper if you order it online. So it will look like this in the edge of all the bathroom, like this. So it will look like this. But I think the screw is not completed. It's not complete. So I didn't go out today, because I've been in the sun in the last few days. It's very hot. So I tried not to go out because I think I got a lot of sun lately, driving, and sometimes when I come home, my headache is so bad. So I decided to lay off for a while. Lay off and selling some land. Viewing some land. So I take off the screw and put it, so it's gonna be ready for tomorrow for the workers to just put it straight. So I got enough for the 7 bathroom there. Yeah, so time passed so quick. It's now December 4th. It's just like yesterday. It's just like few months ago, just December, and now it's December again. Time flies very quick. So I put it back. Two bathroom, 3 bathroom, 4 bathroom, 5 bathroom, 6 bathroom. Yeah, so it's 7. It's 7 bathroom. I'm lacking of 1 screw.